Hey guys, no William Pyrotechnics. I will give you an answer when the first stash for Independence Day 2022 will be. So I talked to my Mimi on the phone and she said not December, but January 10th we'll be going to Phantom and getting the first Independence Day fireworks stash. Just remember, my mom will be coming too, and she might get an assortment. She might get the Supreme Finale assortment from Phantom. So, both my Mimi and my mom taking me, so there will be more fireworks than the previous year. So big fireworks stash this year. We'll have like assortments. We'll have 500-gram repeaters. We are not buying canister shields, as we have a lot of those. I will see you on January 10th. It's like a little preview of what's happening. So, January 10th, I will see you guys. And cut.